Here's 5 reasons why trying to obtain business credit can be a terrible idea for you. I've seen a lot of gurus across social media pitch a business credit as the end-all be-all for you getting your business off the ground, when in reality you could be digging a financial grave. Let me explain. Number 1, most people who are going after business credit don't even have good personal credit, which means that the business credit that you do apply for will either be irrelevant or extremely expensive. Number 2, most of you guys are trying to apply for business credit when you don't even have a business plan, which means that if you do get approved for business credit that most poor personal credit applicants can only qualify for, it's going to be not only expensive, but the money's going to pretty much be due right away. That leads me to number 3. Most people don't understand that once you obtain a business credit loan, that first payment is due the very next month or the month after, which means that if you have an underdeveloped or unproven business, you're going to be pulling those funds to pay that account from that business loan, shrinking that loan even faster than if you're applying it to a developed, proven business, or you're going to be paying for it out of your personal savings. Number 4, business loans should not be used to prove a business concept. The business concept should already be proven. A business loan should be applied to getting product for an already successful product line or an expansion of an already successful business. Utilizing a business loan to fund a dream is a very dangerous proposition. Number 5, most people don't understand that if you do default on business credit, it will report to your personal credit report regardless of your LLC status. And credit repair won't help because the FCRA applies to consumer debt, not business debt. Follow for more tips that'll help you increase your credit scores.